Them. 1. AI Assistant. This is a tool that can help you automate tasks or automate your work processes. It can also be used to watch your work, answer questions, and provide feedback. 2. AI reports. These are reports that can help you track your progress and see what needs to be done in order to reach your goals. 3. AI chatbots. These are chatbots that can help you with customer service or other tasks. 4. AI tutors. These are tools that can help you learn new skills or improve your current ones. 5. AI simulations. These are tools that can help you test different scenarios or ideas.